What's up, YouTube? Once again, I'm back with another video, man. Today's video, man, I'm gonna be working on the Nissan Xterra, as I showed you once before, man. Today's video, we're gonna be changing out the front door speakers and possibly installing some tweeters so we can get some nice sound. Because I noticed that as I was listening to the radio, it was sounding distorted, and after getting into tearing the door down and checking out, realizing that the speaker was rotting away, all the inside the cones been heating away and stuff. So I just want to show you guys that and show you the tear down. There it is, guys. As I said, today's video we're working on the Nissan Xterra. Yep, there it is, guys. New to the channel, and yeah, man, working on this thing. We're gonna be working on it a little bit at a time. See, we got the door panel off. It's laying up right here against the truck, you feel me? And so we're going to attempt to take these screws out right here, remove those things, and get to the wiring and go ahead and install this thing and get it going, man, you feel me? So stay tuned, man, for more, man, for real. Yeah, man. I'm gonna tap back in. There we have it, man. Everything put back together. Get the door thing put on all except for wait a minute, y'all. Yeah, put that part on right there. Yeah, that right there. Yeah, that go right there. And that's it, man. Got everything with you.
If he's not, he gon' act like a fan. You bigger, they got your head gas. So I give him my pass. Like, keep it a stack. Won't walk and say, no, I got beans. He be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Think you bigger, they got your head gas.